Hello friends, welcome to C Sharp Programming Video Tutorials series. From the past few video tutorials, we are trying to understand tokens of C Sharp language. In the previous video tutorial, we understood comments available in C Sharp language. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss keywords in C Sharp language. What are keywords? Keywords are reserved words. Keywords are reserved for specific purpose, guys. Their meaning and purpose is already defined within the C Sharp compiler. Keywords are reserved words. Their meaning and purpose is already defined within the C Sharp compiler. For example, const keyword is used to create constants. Var keyword is used to create variables. Char keyword is used to create character type variables and constants. Int keyword is used to create integer type variables and constants. These set of keywords are used while working with variables and constants, guys. If, else, switch and case keywords are used to execute set of statements based on the result of a condition. For, while, do, for each in keywords are used to execute set of statements repeatedly. Break, continue, go to, return keywords are used to transfer the control directly from one place to another place. These set of keywords are used while working with functions. These set of keywords are used while creating user-defined data types. Private, protected, public, internal keywords are used to modify the access level of variables and constants. Try, catch, throw, finally keywords are used to handle runtime exceptions. Event, delegate keywords are used to create events and delegates. These set of keywords are used while working with database. So, the meaning and purpose of each keyword is defined within the C Sharp compiler, guys. You should not use them for some other purpose. Keywords must be written in lowercase letters because all keywords are defined in lowercase letters. We know that C Sharp is a case-sensitive programming language. It treats uppercase characters and lowercase characters differently. So you remember that keywords must be written in lowercase letters. If you write them in uppercase letters, then they are treated differently. Keywords should not be used for naming identifiers or programmer-defined names. That is, for naming variables, constants, arrays, methods, structures, classes, interfaces, enums, etc., you should not use keywords, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood what are keywords. Remember that keywords are reserved words. Their meaning and purpose is already defined within the C Sharp compiler. Keywords must be written in lowercase letters. Keywords should not be used for naming variables, constants, arrays, etc., etc. I think for this video tutorial, this much is enough, friends. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand everything clearly, try to remember all these keywords so that you do not accidentally name a variable, constant, array, etc. with keywords, guys. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss more about tokens available in C Sharp language. For more benefits and be up to date, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.